Breathe deep, live deep. Your lungs and you. Every breath we take is a gift, a vital exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Our lungs work tirelessly to ensure this life-sustaining process continues. They filter the air, delivering oxygen to our blood and removing waste gases. Yet our lungs face pollutants, toxins, and irritants daily. Over time, these toxins can accumulate, leading to inflammation and reduced lung capacity. This can manifest as shortness of breath, coughing, and wheezing. Prioritizing lung detoxification can enhance function and boost well-being. The silent burden. Why lung detox matters. We often take our lungs for granted, unaware of the silent burden they carry. Neglecting lung health impacts our energy, immunity, and quality of life. Toxins and irritants hinder lung function. This can lead to respiratory issues, from mild discomfort to chronic conditions. Shortness of breath can become a daily struggle. Lung detox enhances our body's natural healing and overall well-being. Removing toxins improves oxygen uptake, boosts energy, and strengthens defenses. Nature's Toolkit. Simple ways to breathe free. Fortunately, we don't need expensive treatments or complicated procedures to detoxify our lungs. Nature provides us with a wealth of simple yet powerful tools to cleanse and rejuvenate these vital organs. By incorporating these natural remedies into our daily routines, we can support our respiratory health and breathe easier. One of the simplest and most effective ways to detoxify your lungs is to drink plenty of water. Water helps to thin the mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up and expel. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Another powerful natural remedy is steam inhalation. Inhaling steam helps to open up the airways, loosen mucus, and soothe irritated nasal passages. Add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to enhance the therapeutic benefits. Food as medicine, nourishing your lungs from within. The old adage, "You are what you eat," rings especially true when it comes to lung health. Just as certain foods can harm our lungs, others possess remarkable healing and cleansing properties. By making conscious food choices, we can nourish our lungs from within and support their natural detoxification processes. Antioxidant-rich foods are our allies in the fight against lung damage. Berries, leafy greens, and colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting our lung tissue from oxidative stress. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce lung inflammation and improve respiratory function. Incorporate these healthy fats into your diet to experience their lung protective benefits. Garlic, onions, and ginger are not just culinary staples but potent lung detoxifiers. They contain compounds that help break up mucus, fight infection, and reduce inflammation. Add them generously to your meals to enjoy their therapeutic effects. Section 5. Hydration, the flow of life for healthy lungs. Water is the elixir of life, essential for every bodily function, including optimal lung health. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining the health and elasticity of lung tissues, aiding in the efficient exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. When we're dehydrated, our bodies conserve water, and this can lead to thicker mucus in the lungs. This thick mucus can clog airways, making breathing more difficult and increasing the risk of respiratory infections. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to thin the mucus, making it easier to cough up and expel. This simple act of hydration can significantly improve lung function and reduce the risk of respiratory problems. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and even more if you're physically active, live in a dry climate, or consume dehydrating beverages like coffee or alcohol. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. Section 6. Move your body, cleanse your lungs. The power of exercise. Exercise is not only beneficial for our cardiovascular health and weight management, but also plays a vital role in lung detoxification. When we engage in physical activity, our breathing rate increases, forcing our lungs to work harder and expel more air. This increased airflow helps to clear out stale air and accumulated toxins from the lungs, promoting a healthier respiratory system. Regular exercise also strengthens the muscles involved in breathing, improving lung capacity and efficiency. Choose an activity you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, running, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to reap the lung-boosting benefits. If you're new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before starting a new workout routine. Start slowly and gradually, increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as your fitness level improves. Section 7. Breathe easy, harnessing the power of steam inhalation. Steam inhalation is a time-tested remedy for respiratory ailments, offering a simple yet effective way to cleanse and soothe the lungs. The warm, moist air helps to loosen mucus, open up airways, and provide relief from congestion and irritation. To practice steam inhalation, fill a large bowl with hot water, being careful not to burn yourself. Drape a towel over your head and lean over the bowl, keeping your face a safe distance from the hot water. Inhale the steam deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enhance the therapeutic benefits of steam inhalation by adding a few drops of essential oils to the water. Eucalyptus, peppermint, and tea tree oil are known for their decongestant and antimicrobial properties. If you have any underlying health conditions such as asthma or heart disease, consult with your doctor before using essential oils for steam inhalation. Pregnant women and young children should also use essential oils with caution. Section 8. The power of plants. Essential oils for lung health. Essential oils, the concentrated extracts of aromatic plants, have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties, including their ability to promote respiratory health. Certain essential oils possess powerful decongestant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties that can help cleanse and soothe the lungs. Eucalyptus essential oil is a popular choice for its ability to open up airways and loosen mucus. It contains a compound called eucalyptol, which has been shown to have expectorant effects, helping to clear mucus from the lungs. Peppermint essential oil is another effective decongestant, known for its cooling and invigorating aroma. It contains menthol, which has been shown to relax the muscles of the airways, making breathing easier. Tea tree oil is a potent antimicrobial agent, effective against a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It can help to fight off infections and reduce inflammation in the lungs. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil such as jojoba oil or almond oil before applying them topically. Section 9. Creating a lung-friendly environment. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, but they can also harbor hidden sources of lung irritants. By making a few simple changes to our living spaces, we can create a more lung-friendly environment and reduce our exposure to harmful toxins. One of the most effective ways to improve indoor air quality is to invest in an air purifier. Air purifiers work by removing airborne pollutants such as dust, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, and smoke from the air, creating a cleaner and healthier breathing environment. Avoid using harsh chemical cleaners, which can release volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, into the air. Opt for natural cleaning products made with plant-based ingredients, or make your own using simple ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Smoking is one of the most damaging things you can do to your lungs. If you smoke, quitting is the single most important step you can take to improve your lung health. There are many resources available to help you quit, including counseling, support groups, and medications. Section 10. A breath of fresh air. Commit to a healthier you. Taking care of our lungs is not a one-time event but an ongoing commitment to a healthier lifestyle. By incorporating these simple yet powerful tips into our daily routines, we can cleanse our lungs, improve our respiratory health, and enhance our overall well-being. Embrace the power of nature by incorporating lung-cleansing foods, herbs, and essential oils into your diet and lifestyle. Make time for regular exercise, prioritize hydration, and create a lung-friendly environment in your home. Remember, every breath is a gift, and it's up to us to protect and cherish these vital organs. Make a conscious effort to prioritize your lung health today and breathe easier for years to come.